Hello everyone from IAA Mobility 2025. I'm at the Smart booth today. I'm with the CEO, Mr. Dirk Adelmann. Hello Dirk, how are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you. Thank you all.
Good, thanks for having us today. Dirk, it's very inspiration to see you growing the company since you joined in 2001, and you held very various positions in both Smart as well as in Mercedes-Benz. Looking back, Smart has evolved at the layer from being a niche, ultra compact city car to EV full range EV manufacturer. It has products ranging from the upcoming hashtag 2, which is a ultra compact city car, and also the mid-size hashtag 5. How do you see the brand is positioned in order to address a wide range of customer needs and lifestyles?
Maybe start with the brand promise that we had. We always wanted to be an all-electric, so really sustainable brand for customers in the entry segments. And in the past, we had the A segment mainly with the 4.2. Now we are in the B segment, C and D segment with the hashtag 1, 3, and 5. And we are, as announced today, also going back to the A segment with our hashtag 2. So finally, we can offer a sustainable urban mobility in all entry segments in Europe, fully electric. And that is, it took us only 30 years almost, but finally we are there.
Still a very young company.
Yeah.
So if you see, the European market has become extremely competitive, especially if you look at the ultra compact and mid-size segment. How the brand position and differentiated in comparison to the other players, especially the traditional European players, as well as the new Chinese entrants?
For me, if I look at competing in automotive industry, it's like a decathlon. So you have at least 10 disciplines where you have to be good, and you need out of the 10, 2 or 3 where you're outstanding in order to be able to win. And we have the traditional disciplines, I would say design, driving dynamics, quality, but also haptics inside the car, where we are relying a lot on our Mercedes-Benz parent. The newer disciplines of this decathlon, like connectivity or updatability, here we rely a lot on our Chinese joint venture partner Geely. So we have just launched our OTA 7, so the 7th over-the-air update within just 2.5 years for hashtag 1 and 3. And the hashtag 5 was introduced in May, and we are already launching OTA 1, so the first update. So this is how we position ourselves in the industry. We have the best of both worlds, so the best from east and west, so to say, the best of the 10 disciplines for automotive decathlon keyword.
Good analogy here. Now, looking at the market itself and looking at your position, you rightly mentioned that it's joint venture, Smart is a joint venture between Mercedes-Benz as well as Geely. And you rightly pointed about the product design, you rightly pointed about technology innovation. But how do you see the partnership driving the future of Smart overall?
When we started in 2019, basically reinventing not only the brand and the product portfolio, we also set up a completely new retail and wholesale structure. On top of that, they changed our business model to direct sales. So this is something where we are quite proud that we pushed through. It was not easy with an entirely new team, but also we are seen from both sides, from Geely and Mercedes, as kind of a speedboat. East Smart joint venture kit, you try it, and then we see if we can also implement part of it or the whole story in the bigger boat, in the mothership, either the German one or the Chinese tower.
And Dirk, congratulations to you and the Smart team on winning the 2025 Red Dot Design Award for product design for the hashtag 5 model. Talking about hashtag 5 and the award itself, what are the key features and technology innovation that positioned it to win for this particular award?
Number one, we won it for hashtag 1, 3, and 5, and Kai and the design team are quite proud of that one. It's an achievement that you don't get with basically every car in your lineup. We gave our designers, which are Mercedes-Benz design colleagues, a free hand with the exterior, but also with the interior design of all our Smart products. And this creativity, I think you can see It led to a totally unconventional design in a D segment EV car, which is old and boxy and not so aerodynamic. But technology, the charging technology, of course, helps to offset this disadvantage that you have with the aerodynamics. We are charging with 800 volt technology on a DC charger up to 420 kilowatt. So it's always all elements from both shareholders, from both partners in this joint venture that make the entire smart experience.
Good. Once again, thank you very much. It's been a very insightful discussion with you. Dirk, I wish you and your team at Smart a very good, successful IAA 2025 and for the future.
Many thanks to Bohas, my pleasure.
Thank you.